What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today we got the Jordan 13. You got the gray box. This box is a little bit different from the other gray box. It's like a darker gray. I'm gonna say the other box is like silver. This is more like gray. If you put the boxes together, it's different. I might show you that. You got a university blue or UNC blue Jumpman on the lid. That's different. I think this is the first time they changed the color of the Jumpman on the 13 box. So we have Air Jordan 13 retro white, dark powder blue. Got the white paper. Like I was saying about the box, this is the He Got Game box. See, you got that red Jumpman, and I don't know if y'all could tell the difference, but the two color is different on both boxes. See, this is it's a little bit darker. I don't know if I could tell on camera, but all right. So we got a Jordan 13 Obsidian. On the bottom, you have like a UNC hit around the outline. Got the hologram right there with the black Jumpman. Navy blue carbon fiber, white herringbone traction on the heel and on the front. So you have the white on the midsole mixed with that blue suede, like most 13s do. Suede right here, white leather with the whiskers on the side panel, medial and on the lateral side. You got the suede down here on the tongue in the middle, and then on the top you have that leather. I actually like these tongues better than the full leather tongue. I like these tongues and the full suede. The full leather tongue is a little annoying and stiff, and it be rubbing when you walk. You can hear the noise rubbing on the side of the inside of the shoe. Navy blue tab with the white Jordan, and then you have that 13 behind and the Roman numeral right there. Navy blue laces, UNC Jumpman at the top of the tongue. Sock liner is white. Navy blue insole with that UNC Jumpman. And you have the hologram right there with the 23 and the Jordan. So these are pretty much similar to the He Got Game 13. I'm gonna show you what they'll look like. They're pretty similar. It's just that one is navy blue and the other is black and white. So we got the He Got Game right here. So everywhere where you have navy blue on these, you have the black on the He Got Game. So you have the black on the toe box. You got the navy blue right here. Navy blue, black, white on the tongue. They have the same tongue with the suede and the leather at the top. So over here you have the UNC. And then on the He Got Game, you got the red. On the bottoms, you have the outline of the UNC on the Obsidian, and on the He Got Game you have that red outline, and it's pretty much kind of a reverse of these. These are pretty dope. I like that they bring out this navy blue color so they don't always retro. They're not always retroing the He Got Game. I do love the He Got Games though. I'll pick the OG over these any day. I like all the OG 13s, the Flint, the Breads, the He Got Games, the Cherries, but I'm gonna say the Breads are my favorite. Let me know what y'all think about these. If y'all was feeling them, if y'all pick them up. I don't think they was sitting. Well, you gotta wait until probably Monday, because you can't really pick them up today. unless you reserve. So you'd have to wait until Monday to see if they're still sitting in stores or whatever. But let me know what y'all think about these. If y'all feeling them, if y'all not, if y'all pass, if y'all gonna pick them up, let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for that on foot.